we're gonna unbox the YJ MGC 4x4 and 5x5. It's really similar packaging style to this, which is the YJ MGC 2 Elite. Really nice and cool unboxing. And just two are different color for some reason. Here we have the 5x5 and the 4x4. And here. So let's take the 4x4 out first. So I've never tried 4x4 and 5x5 before, but this cube just feels so dry. So that's great, so I can adjust the settings myself. Next we have the 5x5 now. So, yep, another very dry cube. So if you want to get these cubes, there's two cubes, you have to make sure you know how to loop the cube very well. Because if you don't have a loop, then these cubes are not the cube for you guys. So let's see the accessories provided in the box. There's extra magnet springs, screwdriver, and more springs with the manual inside. And it should be similar on the 5x5, springs and more springs, and the instruction manual inside. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see a more detailed unboxing and review, please comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll release the videos individually for the 4x4 and the 5x5, and I'll see you guys next time.